Hey again guys, or for anyone who's just joining us, welcome. Today you're in for a treat as we go and visit Andrew's garden pub shed, or as he calls it, Deeves.
Hi, I'm Becky.
Hold up, you're not Andrew. What have you done with Andrew?
Andrew worked really hard to put the cabin together, which we're all really pleased about, and obviously we're getting the full use from it now. He took all the footage and all the photos, but wanted me to present it today, as he was too frightened to show his pretty face.
Don't worry Andrew, I know what that's like. I've been told I've got a face for radio.
When the cabin arrived, the whole family were really excited. Andrew had some friends round and some of their children, which then meant that we were able to get the cabin up within one day. They really enjoyed doing that and they were able to do that. And it was really nice to make them part of that process. And yeah, as you can see on the time lapse, it went really well.
Wow, you built that with incredible speed. What was it like to do the inside?
During the process of finishing our cabin, me and Andrew probably had different views on the end product. Me being more of a gin drinker and him being more of a beer drinker and wanting more of the kind of authentic pub look. We ended up with something that's a mix of the two that caters for both of us, and hence why we've got a bit of a modern outlook with some traditional aspects too.
Nice touch guys, we're glad you came to an agreement.
Within our cabin, we have a bar that's got multiple beer pumps on the side of it. We've got a shelf, which is my gin bar, which makes me a happy wife.
A wise choice, Andrew. You know, as they say, happy wife, happy life. Sorry to butt in, where were you, Becky?
We also have a seating area, which is a bench seat and table for guests to sit round. TV, which mainly features a lot of sports, and then just a basic standing area to cater for all our friends and family.
I'll have a pint, please. What are the opening hours?
We put in lighting in the cabin so we can make this a bit of a party cabin on a night time, which has a great cosy feel to it. It's been a really added bonus to our garden. It's an outside space that disconnects our working from home family life to something that we can come and just have fun and socialise in. We're really happy.
Cheers! If you want some inspiration on garden buildings and how you can transform your garden, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you never miss an episode. See you next week!